Hello, language learners, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever listened to a song in English and wanted to describe it perfectly? Well, get ready for a musical crash course. Today, we're exploring key vocabulary and major music genres to boost your English. We are the English Effect, and this is Music Mayhem. Let's start with 8 essential words for any music fan. First, depressing. This is an adjective, meaning something that makes you feel sad. For example, many people find that slow songs can be quite depressing. Before we continue, here's a useful language tip. Adjectives which end with ing, such as depressing, describe things that make you feel a certain way. Other examples are interesting or exciting. Next, select. This means to choose something carefully. You could say, you can select any song from the playlist for your presentation. Then we have lyrics. This one is simple. The lyrics are the words in a song. Before recording, the band wrote and revised the lyrics several times. After that, the chorus. This is the part of a song that is repeated several times, usually the most memorable part. The chorus of this pop song is so catchy, it sticks in your head all day. Now, the beat. This is the main repeated rhythm or pattern of sounds in the music. The drummer kept a steady beat throughout the entire track. Then, build-up. This is when part of the song becomes more powerful or intense, creating tension. During the build-up, the music gets louder until the final climax. Our next word is intend. This means to plan or mean to do something. I intend to learn the guitar so I can play my favorite songs. And finally, a track. This is simply one individual song on an album or playlist. The first track on the album sets the tone for the rest of the music. Now let's use some of those words to talk about different genres or styles of music. First, reggae. This style comes from Jamaica and has a relaxed, offbeat rhythm. It often has lyrics about peace, love, and social issues. For example, if you listen to Bob Marley, you are listening to reggae. Then there's hard rock. This is a loud, powerful, and energetic genre, usually played with electric guitars, drums, and strong vocals. Bands like AC/DC play hard rock, which is perfect for when you want to feel energized. Now, hip-hop. This is more than just music. It's a culture that started in New York City. It includes rapping, DJing, breakdancing, and graffiti art. Hip-hop music often has a strong beat and lyrics that talk about real-life experiences. Let's talk about soul. This genre combines rhythm and blues with gospel music. It is known for its deep emotion and powerful vocal performances. Aretha Franklin, the queen of soul, sang with incredible feeling and passion. You've probably heard of K-pop. This stands for Korean pop music. It's known for its catchy songs, impressive synchronized dance routines, and highly produced music videos by groups of singers. Groups like BTS have a huge global fan base. Then we have classical music. This is a broad tradition of art music, often written for orchestras or pianos, that follows formal structures. Listening to classical music by Mozart or Beethoven can feel very peaceful and sophisticated. Rap is a vocal style and a central part of hip-hop culture. A rapper speaks rhythmically and in rhyme over a beat, using clever lyrics and a fast flow to tell a story or express ideas. And finally, opera. This is a type of classical music where a dramatic story is completely sung, not spoken. It is performed in a theater with singers, an orchestra, and often elaborate costumes. Opera singers train for years to sing powerfully without microphones. Before we finish, here's a Did You Know fun fact for you. Did you know that K-pop idols often train for many years in singing, dancing, and languages before they debut? That's why their performances are so synchronized. And that's our musical tour for today. We learned 8 useful words, including a great grammar tip about ing adjectives, and explored 8 major genres. Now I'm curious, what genre do you intend to listen to next? Or what's your favorite track right now? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, subscribe for more English lessons, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.